skin cell suspension autograph is newly introduced for the year 2025. If you check 2024 book 150.
Page number 100 in 2024 book.
Okay, 1 minute. So 15005. Okay, and we next codes are starting with which code?
15040.
15040. Okay, so here in this place they have added new updates, that is skin cell suspension autograft. Okay, codes they have added, these are completely new codes. They introduced 15011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, up to 17, 1508. See, up to here 15018. Up to here you are seeing which with the symbol
Bullet.
Okay, these are all new codes for the year 2025. Okay, after 15018 you are going to see the code 15040. Okay, which is autograph tissue cultured autograft. So referring back to CPT 2024, what is there after 15005? Autograph
1504.
15040. Okay, in this middle of the code range, they have introduced new codes. Okay, that is what you are seeing here with the bullet symbol. Okay, so easily when you are referring, even if you are referring CPT 2025, by seeing that code, you will understand, okay, these are the new codes and this concept is new to the book. Okay, so you can give extra attention. So this is all about new codes. So next the symbol. So if you see like this, it is revised code. Okay, so revised code, whatever the CPT you see, if you see this triangle symbol associated with that code, the meaning says this symbol indicates that CPT code description has been changed from the previous edition. Okay, I will show you 1 minute. I'll show you the best example for that. Okay, is my screen visible?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you can see there is a symbol here with a triangle 99202. Okay, and it indicating with the triangle. This is CPT 2024 book. Okay, and this is CPT 2023 book. This is 2023. Okay, so here you can see only 99202. Okay, now as I said earlier, I said already there are changes happened to, like, ENM updates came. Okay, so the ENM updates are like, if you refer CPT 2023 book, there is a, just look at the time. Okay, so here the description says in 2023 book, the same code description says when using time for code selection, 15 to 29 minutes of total time spent on the date of encounter. Okay, there is a time range here, 15 to 29. Okay, now I am going to show same code in the book 2024. Okay, this book. So these codes have been revised in 2024, not deleted or not newly added. It is revised. Revised in the sense you can see same meaning. Meaning is same, just they will revise the wording or they'll revise the description. When using total time on the date of encounter for the code selection, 15 minutes must be met or exceed. Okay, so they have what they did compared to last year. This year they mentioned 15 to 29 range they gave. Okay, now in the 2024 update, what they did? They
Only 15 minutes. Or exclude.
well, not only 15 minutes, the meaning is same only, but they removed that range 15 to 29 what we had, that they removed and they made it 15 minutes must be met or exceed. Okay, so there is a revision here. The wordings have been revised. That's why what they did, they indicated with the triangle symbol. Okay, so as soon as you see the triangle, you should know there is something, there is some changes here. Okay, so what the next code, if you see 99203, so it says when using total time on the date of encounter, code selection must be 30 minutes must be met or exceed. Okay, so there is no major change apart from wordings. They did not add any extra time range here. It remains same only, but they removed the wordings. So see, 15 minutes must be met or exceed. The meaning from 15 to 29 minutes, you should use 99202. Okay. Same way for 99203, what you will do? It starts from 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes.
44.
So 32, next you have to check the next code, and next code is starting from 45 minutes. So the meaning, this 99203, you should use 30 to up to 44 minutes.
44
you should
minutes.
use 99203. Correct. Okay. So the meaning, the code, how you are coding, you still code in the same way, because you check in CPT 2023, the range remains same. 15 to 29, you're going to code 202 only. 30 to 44 minutes, you're going to code 203 only. But there is a slight change, only the range being removed, and some they did some alteration in the wordings. That's why they gave this with a triangle. Okay, all the codes, ENM codes, they revised, so they denoted with the triangle. Okay, and triangle is important. Next symbol, another one important symbol is the hashtag. Hashtag refers to out of numerical sequence code. Okay, out of numerical sequence, the meaning that code is not placed in a strict numerical order in the book. You must refer the index or a section guidelines. Okay, whenever you are practicing, if you feel like why I'm not getting this code, okay, you should check whether that code is resequenced or not. Okay, resequencing means, I'll show you. So some random codes you will take. Okay. So there is one hashtag code is visible, 45388. Okay, 45388 says with ablation of tumor, polyps, other lesions. Okay, so some example, I mean some procedure is there, but now you just look at the symbol 45388. Okay, so now check the above code. Above code is 45382. In middle, you have a hashtag code with 45388. And next to that, what is the code you are seeing? 45384. Okay, 82. And then in order. If you see, maybe in middle we will not have like 1 2 3 4. Okay, you in CPT book you will not see codes like in order 1 2 3 4 5, not like this. Okay, at least you should see numerical order means after 1, if 2 is missing, you should see at least 3. Okay, and if 4 is missing, you should see 5. Okay, it is an order 1 3, and after 3 you will get 4, and after 4 you will get 5. Okay, so this is in your hierarchical order. But what if I document 3 1 and 4? So is it in order?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is not in a hierarchical order. Okay, some digits randomly came and sit in middle. Okay, that is what happened here also. So for 4 5 3 8 2, after 8 2, if you go by hierarchical order, you should get 8 4. But in middle, you are seeing 8 8. Okay, 4 5 3 8 8. So why it came here? This is considered as, please be on mute. So this is considered as, okay, this is so this is in middle, whatever the code you are seeing with the hashtag, this will be considered as out of numerical sequence. Okay, so now how do you find this code? So see, now what they will do, for after 4 5 3 8 6, you will have one instruction, the red symbol. Okay, so after 4 5 3 8 6, 4 5 3 8 8 8, that means 4 5 3 8 8 should have come. Okay, should have come. But what they did, code is out of numerical sequence. That means we have removed from its original position and we have kept it somewhere else. Okay, the meaning they are saying, they are giving you guideline or the instruction 4 5 3 8 8. This code is out of numerical sequence. So to get this code, what you have to do, see 4 5 3 8 1 to 4 5 3 8 5. In this family, in the middle of 4 5 3 8 1 to 4 5 3 8 5, we have kept this code. Okay, the instruction is clear here. So what you will do, first you gonna check 4 5 3 8 1. This would be your standalone code. Okay, 4 5 3 8 1 is here. Okay, not standalone, but the family code they have highlighted. 4 5 3 8 1 is here, and lastly 4 5 3 8 5 is here. Okay, it goes like this, like this. Okay, so this is one procedure family. Okay, in middle where you are seeing that code, are you seeing the code in middle of the 8 1 and 8 5?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a code. Okay, if you just come back and refer the codes between these codes, you can find out 4 5 3 8 8. Okay, that's what out of numerical sequence. So whenever code is out of numerical sequence, they will give you direction. They will tell you where they have kept that code. Okay, so same way you can see 4 5 3 9 0. They're saying after 8 9 9 0 should have come. Okay, but they're telling you code is out of numerical sequence. See 4 5 3 9 1 and up to. Okay, it's not like only its range. You should see code range between 4 5 3 9 1 to 4 5 3 9 7. Somewhere between these two code range in middle, you can get 4 5 3 9 0. Okay, so you can just start looking for the code. 4 5 3 9 1 is here. Okay, 4 5 3 9 7 is here. So what they are saying is 4 5 3 9 0 should come between these two codes. So you should look, and there is a code 4 5 3 9 0 is there, and it is reflecting with which symbol?
Ash symbol.
As symbol. Okay, so